How do you say where something moves? In English, one small word does the job. Prepositions of movement. 18 words in 3 easy groups. First, 5 opposite pairs. He walks into the cave. He walks out of the cave. He jumps onto the box. He jumps off the box. He climbs up the ladder. He slides down the slide. He walks to the tree. He walks from the tree. He walks towards the mountain. He moves that way, but he never arrives. He runs away from the dog. Watch and pick the preposition. Is he going up or down? Up, he walks up the hill. Into the house or out of it. Out of, she walks out of the house. Is he walking to the tree or from it? To, he walks to the tree. Now the tricky 4. Learners mix these up. He jumps over the wall. He crawls under the bar. He walks across the bridge over the top, from side to side. He walks through the tunnel inside and out the other side. Again, pick the preposition. Over the bar or under it. Over, he jumps over the bar. Across or through. Through, he walks through the tunnel. Over or under. Under, he crawls under the bar. And last, moving around things. He walks along the river. He walks around the tree. He walks past the shop. He walks between the trees. One more, pick the preposition. Around the tree or past it. Around, he walks around the tree. Along the river or across it. Along, he walks along the river. Between or around. Between, she walks between the trees. Now, all of them together. Into or out of. Into, she walks into the house. Onto the box or off it. Onto, he jumps onto the box. Over it or around it. Over, he jumps over the bar. Towards the dog or away from it. Away from, he runs away from the dog. Now you know 18 ways to show movement in English. Into, out of, onto, off, up, down, to, from, towards, away from, over, under, across, through, along, around, past, between. Subscribe for daily English, and next time, prepositions of place.